Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today we are going to start chapter 14 of unit 3, Introduction to Social Media. Now social media is the social networking sites. Social comes from the word society, and society comprises friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. Now when we have interaction with the social people, that is we become social with our friends, relatives or any other person on an electronic medium, that becomes social media. So social networking site is an online platform which facilitates the building of social networks or relation among the people who have the similar interest, activities, backgrounds or real life connection. So user create the profile which contain information about them. They create a list of users with whom to share connection and organize their social network. You must have used many of the social networking sites like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, etc. Now there are some features which are available on the social media. First is it has a very simple interface. Anyone can use it without much difficulty. Then we can converse with the people anywhere around the world. And then it also has the email alerts in case anything needs to be updated. The email alerts are provided. Then we have the communities also on the social media sites, so we can have interaction with the people who belong to same community. We can build our profile, we can add photos, we can tag our friends so that they can come to know about any of the event which is being done. We can have the photo album in that one, chat facility, and real time updates are being done, and it has a free web address. Okay, now what are the merits of social media? Merits means advantages and demerits means disadvantages. So when we talk about the merits of social media, they help us in which way? First, they are easier to connect, they have an easy interface, they help in the sometimes criminal cases. Sometimes the people have some information on the social media, so sometimes it helps in the criminal cases as well. We are able to make new connections with the help of social media, and also the main important point is it spreads the information incredibly fast. Suppose nowadays whenever the new shop gets opened, they just do the marketing on the social media so that people come to know about it, and just they can have a look at that particular area or that particular place. And it provides a free business promotions. It does not charge anything for the promotions, it provides a free business promotions. After that we have the demerits of social media, like the disadvantages of social media. Like sometimes what happens is there is cyber bullying. The people create fake profiles and then they bully the other persons without, and they tease the other person, and it is a you can say it is a legal crime which should not be done. Sometimes the people are addicted to social media, so they are not able to, they procrastinate all the things and they do not do the things on time. There is less real life interaction and misuse of the information. Also the peer pressure is there, in which the students or the small kids like they want to look good on the social media, so they are pressurized in their mind. Okay, so these are some of the demerits of the social media. Next we have is blog. Now what is a blog? It is an easy to create websites that help us to share the thoughts with the world. It can be related to any hobby, or it can be related to any other activity which you like to pursue. So the person who writes the blog is known as a blogger, and blogger is someone who blogs or writes the content for a blog. Blogger can provide links to other websites so that he or she can consider might interest the audience, and it can be an interactive activity. Now we have the different types of blogs, like we have the personal blog, company blog, politics blog, non-profit blog. Other different types of blogs can also be there which help us to interact with the people around us. Now we have learned about the features available on social media, advantages and disadvantages of social media. The next topic is the social networking sites. First we have is Twitter. Twitter is a free social networking and microblogging service. Earlier we need to write only 140 characters for this, but now we can have 280 characters, which is the limit for Twitter. Some of the features of the Twitter are, first is Twitter handle. So Twitter handle is the term for the user's account name on the Twitter. On the Twitter, there is user's account name, that is known as the Twitter handle. Like on Facebook, we have an ID that is known as our Facebook ID. Similarly on Twitter, that is known as Twitter handle, and before the username @ symbol comes. Okay. Then we have tweets. So subscriber use tweet to communicate and broadcast the messages. Like in Facebook, we post any message. In Twitter, that message is known as tweet. Then we have the hashtag. Suppose you want to highlight any of the word, so for that you can use a hashtag symbol before that particular word. Then we have the follow option. If we just follow any other person's Twitter accounts, it means we are their friend, and whatever post, if we follow them, then whatever post they will have, they will be seen to us. Then we have the Twitter feed, which is an ongoing stream of tweets from the users that you follow. Suppose you are following 4 to 5 people, so whatever post they do on Twitter, that will be visible to you also. Okay. Then we have the next most popular social networking site, that is Facebook. It is also used to connect with the people online, and it is a very user friendly platform, that is people are able to use it very easily. So some of the most popular features of Facebook are, first is friend list. It helps us to create our profile, and we can add friend in our list as well. Then we have the Facebook walls, which help us to essentially, it is like a virtual bulletin board, like where we can post a message. It can be any message. It can be like wishing for a birthday or anniversary or any other such thing. Then we have the virtual photo album, in that we can upload any number of photos. Then we have the option of status update also, in which we can put our status of like a short announcement for anything. Then we have the Facebook pages, which are designed for the business use. It allows a business to publish content on the public page. Like earlier, you used to create the Facebook account, but if any of the person needs his business to grow, so he or she can create a Facebook page for that purpose. And then we have the newsfeed option, which help us to update the list of stories in the middle of your home page and your videos, links, etc. Then we have the privacy controls. Facebook provides a customizable set of privacy controls, so users can protect their information from getting exposed to third-party individuals. In the account setting, there is a option of privacy controls. From here, you can just have like if you want only the post to be shown to your friends, some of your friends, so you can add only those friends. The rest people, those posts will not be visible, right? Next we have is YouTube. So YouTube, all of you know, you must have used also. It is a free video sharing website. We can see any of the videos on the YouTube. It can be related to entertainment, comedy, cooking, education tutorials, and many other such videos. So what are the features of the YouTube? First is, from a list of videos, you can select any video and watch, like, share and comment on the video. Second is, you can manage the subscription, that is you can subscribe to the people and you can just comment on that videos or choose videos from the various categories. Then we have, you can download or upload the video from your computer or mobile phone, and you can have the privacy setting of your channel as well. Next we have is WhatsApp, which is the free to download messenger app for the smartphones, and everybody is using it nowadays. It also has a facility for high quality voice as well as video calling. It is one of the most popular instant messaging apps worldwide, and the cost of using the WhatsApp is significantly less than texting. It has a simple interface and many other useful features like group chatting, video calling, location sharing. Very easy and very helpful for other people as well. And WhatsApp also allows us to format the selected text of our message in italic, bold or underline, like these effects. Okay, now with this our explanation of the chapter is complete. Fill in the blanks and true false to be done in the book. Try them yourself. Then we have the question answers. The first question says, mention the name of some of the popular social networking websites. So we have learned about the popular social networking websites. We have the Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, then your Instagram is also there, and then your YouTube is also there. The next question is, what are the demerits of social media? So here we have learned about the demerits of social media, like cyberbullying is there, less real life interaction is there, misuse of information. Write down any 5 points. Third question is, what do you understand by a blog? So we have learned that blog is an easy to create websites that allows us to share our thoughts with the world, and the person who writes the blog is known as blogger. Next is state some of the features of YouTube. So we have learned that in YouTube we can upload or download the videos. Also we can subscribe to other channels and others can subscribe to us. We can watch a lot of videos from a group of videos. So these are some of the features of YouTube. Write at least 3. Question number 5 is, what is Facebook? Mention some of its features. So we know that Facebook is a social networking site which help us to connect with the people over the internet, and we can have the images, audios, videos as post on the Facebook. Now mention some of its features. So these features are given here, just write down there from the book. We can have the friends, we can have the messages to be posted on the walls, we have the facility for the virtual photo album, Facebook page can be created, status can be updated, news feed can be done, and we also has the facility for the privacy controls. So with this we have completed the question answers of this chapter also. I hope the explanation and the question answers are clear to you. Thank you students. Have a good day.